Whew. We are at day 8. We passed the week, you know what I'm saying? And it's amazing. I love the progress that I'm seeing. I'm loving how more consistent I am, how more productive I am. You know what I'm saying? I just love how I'm elevating. Every single day, I feel myself going to a higher frequency. I feel myself just becoming closer and closer to God. You know what I'm saying? Because what's crazy is, like, this week, I was waking up in my sleep to money. You hear what I'm saying? I was waking up to money. My dream, my mission right now, one of my goals is to become one of the best traders in the world. You know what I'm saying? And this week, I would just, right before bed, I would place a trade. I'll wake up to like $200. You know what I'm saying? I ended up in net profit $400 this week. You know what I'm saying? So I think it's amazing that me just doing this challenge has brought me to this dimension, this reality of my life where I am more focused, I am more productive, and I make money in my sleep. You know what I'm saying? I know there's a couple of you who wanted to learn about how to make money. A couple of you who want to learn how to make money in your sleep too. You know what I'm saying? So I actually do have an event. I have a class this Sunday at 7 p.m., which is tomorrow, 7 p.m. Eastern time. I'm having a class where I'm gonna have all the guys that want to learn about how to make money, all the people that want to learn how to make money in their sleep too. I'm gonna have them all in that Discord. I have my homeboys from IRL who gonna join too. All the traders that I know IRL gonna be a part of that too, and they gonna help me teach this class. This gonna be the start of something amazing. This gonna be the start of a Genesis. This gonna be the start of a heaven. You know what I'm saying? I just want to see people elevate. Everybody in this Discord, and I put this on me. I put this on my life. I put this on my life, bro. I want every single one of you to become a god in your own right. I don't care what it is that you want to do. I just want you to become a god. So I want to show you how to get to that financial freedom. You feel me? The more I get better, the more you're gonna get better. You know what I'm saying? I was just in the process actually of creating this free Forex guide on just understanding the basics of Forex. You know what I'm saying? And I'm gonna have that link in the description. Anybody that wants to be a part of that class, click that link in the description. You can just have a free guide, free intro into Forex, just so you understand the basics. You're gonna be ahead of everybody that's gonna be a part of that class. Right now, we have, let me go to the event right now. Right now, we have 14 people signed up for that event. You know what I'm saying? If you're not in the Discord, first of all, if you're not in the Discord, join the Discord. You know what I'm saying? Please join the Discord. Right now, we are, let's see where we at. We at 89 gods strong. Do you hear what I'm saying? We are at 89 gods strong. If I could, and this is only day 8. Day 8 of NoFap. Imagine where we're going to be at 365. You know what I'm saying? Imagine where we're going to be at 365. This is the start of something crazy, and I just want you to be a part of it. This is going to be something wonderful. That island dream that I have, it becomes more and more real the more people I have going towards the same vision. You know what I'm saying? I just want you all to see your own paradise. That's it. Go to your own paradise. So that's what I'm going to teach you how to do. Join the school of gods. And you know what? I got to make sure I shout out these boys, bro. I got to make sure I shout out these gods, Sabiso and Naga the God. I got to make sure I shout y'all boys out because you guys have been some of the most active members in this Discord. You have been sending videos of spiritual videos that people should be watching. You have been just contributing to the chat, replying to others, helping other people out, just talking spiritual, giving other people advice, motivating each other. That's what this is. This is an accountability group. You know what I'm saying? Every single one of you that's on NoFap, I'm going to message you every single day for that daily accountability, and I'm gonna ask you what day NoFap you on, and that number better continue to increase. It better continue to increase. And if you fail, if you relapse, well, just be accountable. Put it in the chat why you failed, and we're gonna help you. We're gonna give you little things that you can adopt to help you be better for the next time. Because I really feel it. I'm not gonna lie. I really think this NoFap, it works. It makes you more productive. I'm less distracted now, and because I'm less distracted, it's like I'm analyzing myself more. It's like I cleaned my space the other day. I cleaned my car. I cleaned my room. I even cleaned my hair. The next thing I gotta do is I gotta clean my phone because, like I said, I'm more productive. I don't even want to have fun for too long because I know I'm being unproductive. You know what I'm saying? So I was playing basketball with my homies the other day. You know what I'm saying? After we got done, they wanted to go to the mall, and I'm like, just to go check out a TV for my homeboy's living room. And I'm like, nah, I can't. Like, I got a video to do. You know what I'm saying? Like, It's crazy because me being on NoFap has made me so consistent. I don't know about y'all. Y'all can correct me if I'm wrong, but y'all can't tell me this isn't the most consistent I've ever been on this channel. I've never posted 8 days in a row. You know, I've never done this before. This is consistency. This is commitment. And I've been saying, oh, I can't commit to nothing. It seems like I commit to YouTube. You know what I'm saying? I commit to not even YouTube. I commit to the dream. You know what I'm saying? Building this community. And every single day we elevating. Every single day I'm elevating. And if you want to Discord with me, if I'm elevating, everybody in here, just for being associated with me, is elevating too. We gonna go up. You know what I'm saying? The camera is about to die, but I'm gonna just keep going until it dies. You know what I'm saying? I'm leaving up to fate now. You know what I'm saying? Because this is just beautiful. I'm not gonna lie, like what I'm building in this Discord is just beautiful. So when you join the Discord, I'm gonna give y'all a little tour of the Discord. When you join the Discord, you start off in Earth, right? I'm gonna make this some elaborate game. It's gonna be so lit. You join Earth. And the first screen you see, though, is the Genesis screen. And the first thing I ask you is, what brings you to the School of Gods? Here, I want you to select why you are here. Are you here to learn and share knowledge? Are you here for self-improvement? Are you on NoFap? Or are you here for money help? You know what I'm saying? Just so I can break up the Discord into different sections, and I know who's here for some money, who's mainly here just for self-improvement, who's here to learn and share knowledge. But at the same time, all these 3 things are linked. You feel me? Because if you about self-improvement, you trying to learn, you gonna share that knowledge that you learn on your journey, and you gonna be elevating and getting money at the same time. So you know what I'm saying? Some people clicked all 3 of them. Go ahead and do it. It's okay. You know what I'm saying? And then the next side is, this is where it's gonna get interesting. This is where the game is gonna be, but it's not done yet. It's not done yet. Because like I said, you start off in Earth. Here, you pick one of the apples. You answer the riddle, and you're awarded either an angel or a demon. That's going to be one of your roles. So I know, once again, the Discord is split again, but now it's just split in half. So the angels will be able to see heaven and earth, but not hell. The demons will be able to see earth and hell, but not heaven. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna have them literally synced up the same way Dante Alighieri did. I gave that book to Vicky, so I can't even, that's my homeboy's girl. Shout out to Vicky. Love, I appreciate them, you know what I'm saying? So, but like in Dante's Inferno, hell was separated into 9 circles, and heaven was separated into 9 circles. So that's how I have it listed. This is gonna be crazy. If you guys actually have any ideas on how I can make this game even more crazy, because all y'all are guys, everybody that watches me, I know y'all elevated. I know you somebody that's to be appreciated. I know you somebody that has innovative ideas, because the slogan of my country is gonna be to innovate and evolve. And I know that if you believe those words, to innovate and evolve, you are a god. You don't limit yourself. You don't put yourself in a box. You are not a product of society. You know what I'm saying? And that's why you in this Discord. You know what I'm saying? So join this Discord if you're not in it, because if you're not in it, it seems like you want to be in society's Discord. Go ahead with that, because with the discourse we having over here is on a higher frequency. We having high level conversations, and that's just what I want. This is what I want. Like, hey, shout out to Sabiso again. Was it Sabiso? No, shout out to Naga. He said, yeah, this is what this brotherhood is for. He said, yeah, this is what this brotherhood is for, G. I'm glad you resonate with the knowledge. That's exactly what this is for. That's exactly what this is for. Join the Discord. I want to hear all of your ideas. I want to hear all of your thoughts. I want to learn from y'all. And I'm going to have to make another council. I need a council of people to help me make this game, because this is going to be the greatest Discord this world has ever seen. And I promise you, I already had the visions right here. We can really create heaven. So help me do it.